It's hike day today. I have the day off work, so there's lots of little places in North Queensland that I missed last time because I had a broken foot and I couldn't hike them. So I'm knocking a few things on that list off, and Alligator Creek Falls is one of them. So it's about half an hour south of Townsville in the Bowling Green Bay National Park. And you may be asking, why is it called Alligator Creek? And it's due to the name of a boat that got, or a ship that grounded at the mouth of the river. And because we obviously don't have alligators in Australia, we have crocodiles. So it's not because I'm going to find alligators in the creek. We can go swimming here, but I just thought I would show you what I pack in my backpack before I go. I think this one's going to be about maybe a 2-hour hike to get to the falls. So I don't know, it might take us about a 5-hour round trip with me stopping and doing all my filming and whatnot. But yeah, come check out what I packed. Right, so I always have my water. I would prefer to take more with me, so I might have to get a better water bottle, and plus that's glass, which I like to drink out of glass, but it is very heavy. Always a piece of fruit, gluten-free muffin. I take my charging, portable charger for my phone and just to charge my drone up to if I needed, my GoPro, and I do carry my GoPro pack, which has got spare battery and stuff in there. I've got my mic set in case I need that because I want to film talking while I'm out. I've got my drone here, my jacket, my rainproof jacket, windproof. I am bringing my bathers today just because I might go swimming, even though it is overcast and rainy. I don't know, I might feel the urge. Yeah, and then just some sweet potato chips as well. Let's go. I just had a look at that map and it does say that it could take 5 or 6 hours to do the Alligator Falls track. So I don't know, I'll see how I go with timing today because I have gotten started a lot later than normal because I had the day off work, so I was like, I'm just going to have a bit of a sleep in. So yeah, we'll see how far we get. But one of the other important things I have done is also just reach out to my daughter and let her know where I am. I'm going to be out of reception and what time to expect me back. So always important to do that too. What are some random thoughts I have when I'm hiking on my own? I was just thinking about being Dora the Explorer with my backpack, and then I thought, who could I be instead of Dora the Explorer? I could be Christy the Conqueror. So I'm not entirely sure. Get off me! Oh, the best path forward here. I can see the path is over there. I'm thinking I might actually take my shoes and socks off and walk through the water. There might be a better path over that way, but let's do the fun way. So I may have just gone into water right up to my waist, but I'm presuming this is still the track, so yeah, I guess I'll put my shoes back on and walk in my wet pants. This is the first hike I've gotten peeved off on. Actually, I'm sort of debating whether it's worth keeping going. Not happy, Jan. Well, my pants are already wet, so we might as well do this thing again. It didn't get wet. Oh my god, there's another one up ahead. This is ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna put our happy face on. I put the drone in the backpack now. Let's go again. Oh, I'm so close to abandoning this hike. Is it gonna be worth it? Oh, adventure, Christy, adventure. Alright, come on, we're just gonna do it. Properly, oh, I don't want that, I've got to see properly. Okay, we push on. Guess I'll be going to the laundromat this afternoon. I don't normally do this, but I am going to abandon this hike because it's just not enjoyable anymore. My feet are wet, my pants are wet, it's raining, it's not very nice scenery. I'm sure the falls are beautiful, and given a nicer day, and if I was wearing shorts, I might have carried on, but yeah, I'm just looking forward to a hot shower now. My shoes are so waterlogged that I feel like I'm walking and swimming at the same time. Okay, so I'm back at the creek that I have to go in waist deep to get across. This is the last one. This has been an adventure hike. Alright, let's do this thing. It's an adventure, Christy. It's an adventure. It's an adventure. It's so different to any other hike that you've done. Let's go. Oh, it's all squishy. So many mozzies. I'm absolutely going to have to try and drain out my thongs. My thongs? My shoes. My socks. I have thongs. Just wading through a creek. Don't mind me. Gonna swim in today as well as a hike. Awesome. Maybe I should take the drone down there. my shoes. I quite enjoyed that hike in the end. I don't know why, it was just really, I think after my pants got wet, I was just getting really irritated, and it was going out into these open fields and it wasn't that pretty, I suppose. Like, I like to climb through creeks and things, not that deep normally. But yeah, it was a pretty good trek after all. Maybe I should have gone all the way to the falls, but I'm going to go for a nice hot shower now. Thanks so much for watching that video. If you haven't met me before, my name is Christy. I live, work and travel Australia in my van gypsy